Hello, you lovely people, and welcome back to An Idiot Learns to Code, and I am the idiot, aka the Angry Gamer LB, and that is me, indubitably. Right, let's do this, shall we? So, we made some progress in the last one, sort of, kind of, if I remember rightly, which I often don't. But here we are. We're going to switch over to Claude 3.5. Because ChatGPT is awfully stinky. Yes, indubitably. Hello, Lego, Agigolo. Yes, hello, how have you been, you lovely person? It's good to see you again. Right. So basically, essentially, this is what we've got thus far. This is our map builder, yes. But what I'm thinking about doing as well is also putting an index up in here somewhere so that I can have... pardon my face. Multiple stuff and things for the stuff and things. You know what I mean? Yes. Oh, God. Oh, nice. You can do that? Oh, well. Software and game development. I didn't even know that was a thing. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Coffee. You lovely person. Can an idiot truly learn to code? We're about to see. I think I'm doing okay, sort of, kind of, maybe not. But alas, without further ado, let's do the do. Yes, don't mind if I do. So, here's our map data. So it's a string, it's a vector of strings that we're passing through, right? And so this is going to be the first row of the map. And then a second, and then third, and then blah, blah, blah. This is going to represent roads that are pointing in the y-axis, and then these are going to be roads that are pointing the x-axis, right? And these are either going to be, like, x is just going to be blank space, or it's going to be grass, or concrete, or whatever. We're going to figure that out as we bloody go. I just want to make sure that I can render shapes at these specific locations within the vector. You know what I'm saying? By the way, have you thought about using your own custom type for every square on the map? Like an enumerator, right? Own custom type. Have you thought about using your own custom type for every square on the map? Well, yeah. So... not really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate over this, like, map string, and I'm just going to do a unit square for each one of these, and then, but it's going to be different for these things. Like, I'm going to try and just put a triangle to represent the roads for now, because I need to figure out how to properly implement the rectangle instead of a square. Now, switching to Claude has thrown a spanner in the works, because it has now given us an easier way to render. Let me just go over here. Oh, that's not the right one. There it is. So, where the fuck has it gone? Wait, where is it? Right, here it is. So, here we are. So if I look at this motherfucker. Now, I didn't realize this, but SDL has its own feckin' render class and everything to handle everything. Literally has renderer, SDL underscore renderer. I was building my own bloody renderer, like a penis. So I don't even need to do that anymore. So what I could just diddly do with the doobie-doo, I mean, it did teach us a few things. Sort of, kind of, maybe. Yes. But I have kind of invested a bit of work in this, haven't I, really? Oh, I'd hate to have to leave it. Oh... fuck! Okay, it's fine. What I'm going to do is ignore all the rendery bits, and I'm going to use my own render for it. My own renderer. Yes. I think that's bloody good, if you ask me. Indubitably. I am going to have to feed all of this code to Claude, though. Because it has no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Right? So, okay. Yeah, let me do that first. Okay, let me just have a little fucking chat. So I'm going to feed you. Sounds a bit weird, but hey ho. I'm going to feed you my own renderer class. Please update the code as necessary. Necessary. Nope. God. Oh, Jesus. Right. No, fuck off! Could you... What is happening? Thank you. As necessary. Right, splendid, glorious. Going to feed you my own renderer class. Please update the code as necessary. There we are. Lovely. Right, so it's waiting. So now we diddly-do the doobie-doo. I don't think there's a character limit for how much you can send. Right? Oh shit, did I announce in the Discord? I did announce in the Discord, right? Did I announce in the Discord? By the way, if you want your game to run well, you need to implement multi-threading. Very much of the yes. That's gonna be down the line. When we start to hit, you know, performance issues, then we'll worry about multi-threading. Because that's, I think, is going to be a fucking headache. Yes. So, let's doobie-doo the do and paste through. And there you are. Thank you for providing your renderer class. I'll now update the map class to work with your renderer. Lovely. Splendid. God, it's awfully nice. So much better than ChatGPT. So much better than ChatGPT. If you ask me. Indubitably. Okay, hurry the fuck up. Right. Alright, calm down, calm down, calm down! Maybe don't hurry the fuck up. Calm the fuck down. Right, thank you for... Oh. Takes a renderer pointer in its constructor. The map class now takes a renderer pointer in its constructor. Instead of using SDL for rendering, we now use the renderer class you provided. The renderer method in the map class now calls renderer's render method, passing view and projection matrices. Good! That's what we want. We've added a method to create and update shapes for each tile. Good. You need to implement create tile shape method based on your shape class. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We can diddly-do the do with that, right? Yeah? Yeah. I think the earlier you implemented multi-threading, the less of a headache it will be. How the fuck do we do that? Okay. Okay. So it might be a good idea because this map's going to be quite big. Maybe. Eventually. So if we implement it here first. Okay. Can we implement... Fuck! I'm not dyslexic! Can we implement multi-threading? Multi-threading. Fuck it. There we go. Don't need to expand on that. You'll understand that, won't you, Claude? Yeah, you're not like ChatGPT. I don't need to go crazy with your exposition and shit. You know what I mean? Certainly. Especially for large maps, complex. Okay, cool. Oh yes, we need a queue and stuff and things. What the fuck is atomic? What is that shit? But what does it all mean? Interesting. What the fuck is that? Condition variable. Mutex? What? What? I was just checking for a PZ video to watch, then I realised you were live. Ah, no worries. You were now on Discord. Ah, okay. Anyways, I won't disturb you. I'll just AFK on the stream for your watch time. Oh, thank you, Fishy. You lovely, lovely. Okay, as you can. You lovely person. Right. Okay. So, the map class now includes a thread pool. Which is a member class now, apparently. Is it? Integrated map and renderer classes. Okay, so this is... That's templated as well. Okay. We NQ. Unique lock. What the fuck is that? Unique lock mutex. What the fuck does that mean? Okay. Interesting. Interesting. The standard atomic template defines an atomic type. If one thread writes to an atomic object. What the fuck is atomic object? The behavior is well defined. Okay. But what is... What? Interesting. But what does it all mean? Okay. We can wrap our head around this, maybe. Can't even speak properly. Oh. So, thread pool class. Thread pool allows us to efficiently distribute... Manages a pool of worker threads. The map class now includes thread pool member. We use the thread pool to parallelize the shape creation. Okay. So that's going to have to go in the... No. So where does the thread... Void render... Okay. Cool. Okay, so we got a private member of the map class. Okay, that's fine. So let's create the thread pool class first. Why the fuck? Okay. All right, tell you what. Okay, let's just work on the thread pool class first. Yeah. Lovely. Right. Splendid. We shall add a header file. Nope, you fucking... New item. God, my brain is shit! Right. Nope, we want a header file, right? And we're going to call this... What did I fucking say? What are we calling this? Atomic bomb? Oh god, I hope not. This is all going to explode in my face though, as my code so often does. Although we're not using ChatGPT anymore, so maybe not. You know what I mean? Maybe not. What the fuck am I doing? What's it called? Fuck. Thread pool. Okay. Thread pool. Right? And it's not Deadpool, but it's thread pool. Lovely. Amazing. Splendid. Oh, but these are implementations. Oh, God. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll be fine. We can do it. We can do the do. Don't you worry about a thing. Fuck you, Pragma once. Alright. I will do. So, yes, we want to do the do and a do with you. Boop. And boop. What the fuck does that even mean? Wait. What? Okay, we can't do that then. Huh? Huh? Wiener sniffer. What do you do in your private time I don't want to know about, Furious? That is an awfully less wholesome comment that you entered the chat with this time than you did last time. But keep those private things you do to yourself. I'm not judging you for it. You do whatever you want to do. But alas, onward we go with the show. What the fuck is this all about? So how the fuck would I declare this in the .h? So that's, what the fuck is it called? Inheritance? That was the name of the header. What? Okay. Yes, of course. Yes. Redpool size T threads. Screw it! It's all going in the .h. No, it's not. I can't do that. I refuse. Fuck it! Okay, please break. I'm too dumb! Into its respective .h and CPP files. I am too big dummy dum bum. There we go. So we do want Pragma ones, actually. I'm dumb. Alright, calm down. Calm down. Stop. Oh, wow. This is awesome. This is amazing. Fuck you, ChatGPT. This is great. Wow. This is so much better than ChatGPT for code. Good God. Okay. So, do I just fucking cheese it and just copy and paste it all? Oh, fuck it. Yeah, I'm doing it. Don't judge me. Oh. Okay. Interesting. What? What? Okay. Tis confusion. Okay. Anywho. Lovely. Yes. Fuck off with you. Fuck on with you. Good stuff. And now we do the doobie-doo with the C++ file. Yes. Yes. Great. Maybe what we predicted so earlier wasn't a good idea. I agree, but fuck it, we're doing it! Right. Yes, quite. We can do it! I believe in me! I believe in the me that believes in you that believes in me! Yes! Don't you agree? Indubitably! For I am the Angry Gamer, LB. And that is me. What the fuck do you want? Function definition. It is the structure, you bitch. What do you mean? There is no definition. It's a motherfucking structure. Get fucked. Wait, did I just copy and paste? Ha! Interesting. For some reason, the copy and paste did not take. Pasterize, bastard! Thank you. Right. Right, everything's fine. We're going to be fine. Right? Let's just go through it and try to understand it. Okay? Because if we don't, I don't learn nothing, right? Obligatory caffeinations before the calculations. Ah, good shit. Lovely. Sometimes I hate having a moustache. It fucking dribbles everywhere. Right. Onwards. Fredpool. Yes. And we get Freds. And what the fuck does this mean? Is this some kind of inheritance thing? Is that the bap bap zibbity boo? How did this get declared in here then? Okay, so you didn't need that in there when you declare the function or the constructor or whatever the fuck. So I'm guessing this is some kind of. So how the fuck does? Oh! No, it's just an initializer list. Am I dumb? Is it an initializer list? Is this an initializer list? Am I just dumb? This is the problem with learning a few different programming languages at the same time. Some of their syntax can mean completely different things, but look exactly the fucking same. I heard a knock on the window last night near me. It freaks me out. Well, shit! I hope you are safe, Fishy. And hello and welcome. I do hope you're okay. Yes, I diddly do. You still there, Lego? I am in need of assistance. Let me just ask Clyde, fuck it. Is this an initializer list? Boop. Oh, well, it would help if I scrolled down, wouldn't it? Yes. Okay, that is an initializer list. Cool. So it's not some weird fucking inheritance thing. It's just initializing the Boolean with the constructor. I've got you. I am of the understandings. Yes. Lovely jubbly. Alright, shut the fuck up, Clyde. Where was I? Let's continue! So it's initializing every stuff and things, and for each of the threads, we push back, or emplace back. Okay. Okay. Wait. What's the difference between emplace back and push back? Are they the same? Wait. One pushback, it shoves all the rest down. And the other one doesn't it just replaces? Maybe? Is that right? Mm-hmm. So workers dot emplace back, so these are going to be the worker threads. Which is called upon the object that is calling it. Right? And while true, which means this is just going to be... Oh, no. No, just while true, so this is always going to be doing the do. We have a void function. We have a function task. So that's a function that doesn't return anything. What the fuck is this all about? Unique lock std mutex. Lock this. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, fuck it. I don't understand it. We're not going to understand it quite yet, but maybe later on we will. Okay, glad to hear you're fine, Fishy. That's really good to hear. Okay, so we know we've got an enqueue. We're enqueuing the thread pool. We're emplacing a thread and doing some stuff and things. Fuck it, I don't know. Onwards! So now what we diddly do is we do the do with you. Glorious. Splendid. So this is where I'm not going to copy and paste. I'm going to try and do it myself. We're going to need a renderer in the map class. Fuck, seriously? Seriously? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. You've got to go. Well, it's lovely to see you, Atakan, aka the Fishy. Yes, and I hope you stay safe and stay awesome, you lovely person. Right. Ah, so we're going to be passing in a renderer as well to the map. Ooh, okay. 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 Fuck! This is going to be tough. Okay, let me try and just voice my concerns. So, the trouble is, right? Well, no, we could include that in the map data. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. What we're going to have is a series of vectors of strings that are basically going to be like copies of one another, but stacked on top. Because this game is going to be 2D, but it is going to project into the third dimension. Does that make sense? But I also want to be able to render the lower index at the same time as culling the upper index or the upper floors of a building. So I want you to be able to see out the windows and look at all the zombies below. So I'm going to need... Okay, so we're going to have a series of strings that are going to have characters in them that represent the different blocks, the types of blocks. Okay? Maybe I'm thinking that doing a character array is not a good idea. Alright, got to go as well. That's all I have to say about what happened. Glad to hear you always care about viewers' problems. Yeah, of course! Of course, you lovely people. Yes, I hope you are safe, and I hope you stay safe, you lovely person. And I'll hopefully see you soon. Yes. Right. Maybe, just maybe. Okay. Alright, let me just voice my concerns to ye old fuckface. Okay. So... Okay, so... God, fuck out. You know what I mean? Later on down the line, we will be adding zombies, adding 2D. I don't know why you need to know that. You might need to know that. So, okay. Fuck! So it already knows that it's going to be 2D, but projecting into the third dimension. Just stacks of 2D. Pardon my face. To the game, and I want to be able to render the outside of a building while the player is on the upper floors. Would this method work well with those plans? I'm hoping the fact that we got multiple renderers, fuck off, it's not going to really tank performance if we have to... It's indeed... Oh, God, nope. What the fuck? Your plan to add zombies and render building exteriors while players on the upper floors is exciting. The current structure we've set up can indeed work well with these plans, but we'll need to make some additions. I didn't want to make any additions, I just wanted to see if it would be okay. Oh, God. Okay, it's fine. We don't want to do that. Existing methods. Add entity. What? Oh, no, these are existing. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Entity. Okay. It's fine. Right. Fuck you. Stop. Alright, let's go back to this shit. As long as we know that it's not going to be a ball lake, that's fine. It's already a ball lake as enough as it is. Let's diddly do it. So we want to pass in... Where is our fucking map class? Where are you? Right. Oh, do we really want to fucking... Yeah, bollocks, we'll do it. We'll do it. Fine. Yeah. Map int width height Floors. Renderer. Okay, cool. Cool beans! So to the constructorizations. Wait, why are we not passing in the fucking... Eh? Oh. I see, because that's a private member. Wait, so you're going to have to initialize the map data within the class. I was kind of hoping to do that in the main method, but hey-ho. Fuck it, I suppose. Let's do the do. So, fuck off with you. Yes. 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 Okay. Right, time to bollocks everything up. Int, up, int, width, int, height, int, index, floors. That's a better name. And then a renderer called renderer. Renderer. Lovely. Yes. So we want a set tile and a get tile. Hey, that's pretty good. I like that idea. Okay. You got a set tile and a get tile. Yes, of course. Huh. Wait, is that going to be of a tile type? No. It's going to be a void set tile. Cool. Yes, of course. Set tile. What if we made a tile type? Now I see what you were saying about your own custom fucking type. Okay. I could have just made a tile class, right? Shit. Nah, yeah. Nah, yeah. Nah. Yeah, but nah. Nah, it's fine. Onwards. So index. Okay. X, Y, floor, and char. I don't know why I'm not copying and pasting, right? It makes me feel better, like I'm actually coding myself, alright? I could just copy and paste, but I refuse! Only for, like, really long ones, and also when I can't be bothered. In X, in Y, in floor, and then char, tile. Right? Yes. Lovely. Amazing. And there we are. Absolutely bloody splendid. And now we do a character get tile, blah, 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 blah. And that's going to be a const. Okay, because we don't want to change when we're just getting it, right? Yes, of course. Yes. I understand. What? Kaha! I'm getting a kaha! Yes! Get tile. Tile. And it's int X. Int X. Int Y. Int floor. And then const. Const. Lovely. Splendid. The next one was a void something, wasn't it? Yes, void render. Oh, yes, of course. Render with a GLM map 4, which is the view projection, and those are references. Okay. Splendid. So we're going to... Render. I was hoping to have all the render stuff handled in the render class. Shit! Okay, it's fine. People hitting on my Discord. Oops, what? The Stoned Gamer. Hello and welcome. I am confused. People hitting on my Discord. Wrong account. Oh shit. Who are you? It's an imposter. Who is this? I have no idea. Who's hitting on your Discord? I am confused. Why are people hitting on your Discord? Interesting. But hello and welcome. Yes. It's Stephen. Howdy, howdy. It's good to see you. Yeah, so what's happening on your Discord? What's I doing? Fucking render. Okay. We want a const view projection matrix, blah, 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 blah. View matrix, projection matrix, which const GLM map 4 reference view. Yes. And then const GLM mat 4 again, which is a reference. Projection matrix. Lovely. Splendid. Absolutely amazing. Quick outfit change. Yes. I was researching some stuff on multi-threading. Ooh, nice. Thank you. I am the stoned gamer. Ooh, well, lovely jubbly. Yes. What did you do while I was researching? Oh, so much. Absolute dick diddly. Yes. I'm still setting up the .h. For some reason, I'm choosing to write the code out manually. I've got to work on my typing skills, because I'm shit. Right, void, load map. Yes. And that's going to have const vector of vectors of strings, map data. A vector of vectors of strings. Yeah, that makes sense, because a layer. Woopity boopity floopity whoopity. Doopity boop 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 boop. Yes. 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 Const. It's a standard vector, not a sexually transmitted disease vector. What the fuck? Okay. Vector of a vector of strings. Right? Yes! Of course! And we're going to call this map data. Yes, we are. Lovely jubbly. So those are the public methods that we have needed. Yes. But how have you been, Stephen? It's good to see you again. It's been a while, hasn't it? Our game is going to be heavily influenced by RimWorld and Project Zomboid. So, I think you like those games, don't you? Like RimWorld? I remember you were like one of my very first viewers of RimWorld. I remember that. Yes. Fuck am I doing? Right. Now we need our private members. We need our private parts. Yes. But this is now going to be a standard vector of vectors of vectorizations. Yes. What? What, bastard? Oh, it does... It's doing, Hungarian notation, right? Is that Hungarian notation? Shit, should I be doing... Should I do Hungarian notation? I've got... Oh. Forgot to make the load map parameter a reference. And the renderer a pointer. Shit. The load map A reference, huh? Oh shit, yeah. Oh, there we are. Thank you. Right. Ah! And that just cleared up the motherfucking... What? Interesting. Everything's perfectly fine. Yes. It made a 3D map. Ew. And that's what we want, really. We're not going to render 3D because we are top down. Ah, okay. Shit. How are we going to account for, like, parallax? Oh, no, don't tell me I'm going to have to do 3D models. Please, I don't want to do 3D modeling. I don't want to do it. I'm scared. It would be so much easier if I could just stay in the second dimension and just fake project out. Because I really, really don't want to do 3D modeling. Pardon my face. I could do pixel art. It's going to be shit pixel art. But at least it's 2D. You know what I mean? And it's going to be more performant. Because there's much less triangles in a 2D object compared to a 3D object. Because we're really only seeing one face. Fuck. If you don't do 3D modeling, you have to make pixel art that looks 3D. Yeah, but the trouble is, what I'm thinking is how I'm going to adjust for parallax, you know? As the player's moving this way, away from a building, we're going to see more and more of whatever face is in between that building and the camera, you know? So, and how are we going to make it known that this building is multiple floors? We could make them large. Ah, fuck. Fuck. Okay. Shit. How the fuck did Javid X9 do it? Oh god. I might actually have to just fucking bite the bullet and go 3-dimensional with the buildings. That's gonna suck. That's not too bad though. It's not too bad. It's kind of bad. How the fuck are we gonna do this? Shit. We'll tackle that problem when it comes to it. Bollocks! Onwards! I'll just ask Claude. Whatever the fuck your name is. Right. In width, height, floors, renderer, thread pool. What the fuck is mutex? Renderer mutex. Interesting. You can do a 3D building on a 2D world. Yeah, that'll be right. That'll be right. Yeah. We won't... Okay. It won't be too hard, right? Yeah, I can mock up a building in, like, Blender or something. Right? I always come back optional. Well, yes, you come back 70% of the time, 90% of the time, 100% of the time. Yes. Onwards! Yes! I'm done. Right. Hint, width. Hint. Height. Hint, floors. Renderer, thread pool. Pointer, renderer, pointer. because that's going to be a dynamic thingy-mabooby. Ah! Thread pool! Thread pool? Huh? 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 Oh, wait, have I not included? I didn't include fucking... I didn't include it, did I? I'm dumb. Include bloody thread. Fuck me. Redbull.h. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Threadpool. Why is it M Threadpool? What with with her? You can make an actual building be 2D, but make it look 3D. Okay, yeah. How do we do that with parallax though? Do you know what I mean? Like, if the character moves up this way, we're going to have to expose a different face of the building. We can't really do that with a static image. You know what I mean? And I want some way for the player to know how big that building is. So we're going to have to do 3D. We're going to have to. If we want to account for parallax and give the player some kind of opportunity to know how big a building is, or how many floors it has, and how to get to a window... Okay, lots of thinking. Basically, how it's like on Project Zomba. How it's like on Project Zomba, yes! Not really, because they have like an isometric angle-on view. You know what I mean? Whereas we're going to have a directly top-down view, because it stops the need for like level of detail stuff for 3D objects or 2D objects or whatever. That's going to blow my mind to be able to have to code that. So I'm not going to do any kind of level of detail stuff. Just a fixed down camera, no kind of whoopity whoopity floopity isometric view. It's going to be like Deadwood. If anybody's ever played Deadwood, it's going to be kind of like that, how they do that. But I don't know how... Do they have multiple floored buildings? They do, don't they? But I think they diddly do it how I'm planning on diddly doing it. And that's by diddly doing the 3D objects for the buildings that has multiple floors. I'm trying to remember how they go into that block of apartments. I need to watch Market Blooper's series on Deadwood again. Fuck, it's fine. Onwards! We'll tackle that when we come to it. Alright? We'll live in the moment. We'll live in the now. Okay. Standard mutex, whatever the fuck that means. I don't even know what that is. Render a mutex. Lovely. You could either make a lot of buildings, a square of buildings, so that there is no chance for parallax, or make the player able to walk under the texture of the building using a thing over the player to show where the player is. And also have a square hitbox to show the sides of the buildings. So, when the player enters a building, the top of the building is going to de-render. Or when it enters a sort of in between the camera and the player, it's going to de-render the top of the building and only render the floor of the building that the player is on. But also stay rendering the outside so it can see through windows. But the thing I'm worried about, less about when they're inside the building, it's just when they're approaching or walking away from. Yeah, we'll have to go for 3D modeling. Because I got no idea how on earth do we have to? Because I want a system where when they look through a window, they can see out to the street below. And I'm thinking if I just go for like a fancy drawing of a building, there's no way to implement that kind of thing with just a drawing of a window. Does that make sense? Like I'm going to need... First, the hitbox is around the window, because we're going to want to be able to jump through the window. You have to make each floor its own dimension. Yeah, it's going to be... So each floor is going to be contained in its own map string. Right? And it's going to have an index to say which one it is. And that's fine. That can be handled separately from the building rendering. That, I don't mind if that looks a bit janky. Like even if even if each floor is the same size as we go in, like there's no kind of getting closer so the floor gets bigger to the camera thing, that's fine, I don't mind that. Just want to make it so that they can count the floors of a building from walking up to it, you know? Because say if they're getting overrun by zombies and they want to take, you know, shelter in a building, but if they go to like a 2-floored building, they're fucked. Because those zombies are going to not lose track of them fast enough. So if they're going to want like a 5-floor building or a 6-floor building, they'll run up the stairs, get to the roof, and they could probably be safe there. They'll be fucked trying to get back out, but... you know what I mean? Could always set up traps along the way. That's the ultimate plan. How to implement that, though, is... Pardon my face! Pardon it again! Right. Onwards! The fuck am I doing? I have no idea. So we have diddly done the diddly doo. We need private thingy maboobies. So we need to initialize shapes. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just going to copy and paste. Don't give a shit. These are our private methods and shit. Actually, fuck it. Yeah. There we go. Do I need this shit? No, we're not going to do a character pointer for the map data. Lovely. Good stuff. Splendid. And now we must do the implementations. Where is map.cpp? There you are. Okay. Yes, of course. Now, I am very tempted to just say fuck it and copy and paste it all. But I won't! I must learn! I must bloody learn, okay? I swear it by the old gods and the new that I will doobly do the do with you. So you've got an initializer list. I'm copy and pasting it. One, a little by little though, and we'll go over it as we diddly do, right? Yes, quite. We're also going to want to include, apparently GLM. Did we not include that in the last one? The fuck? Matrix transforms, okay. GLM, GTC. Alright, fuck that. Boop. Beautiful. Splendid. Amazing. Boop. Boop. Ah, of course. Huh? X squeeze me? X fucking squeeze me? Tis confusion. Alright, we'll sort that out in a minute. Let me just get rid of all this shit. Okay. Alright. Undefined, you say? Interesting. Okay. We have not included the renderer class, have we? That's not how we do that. Lovely. Oh, fuck off with you. And we also have to include fucking shape. Yes. Oh god, are we gonna have spaghetti code? Fuck! It's fine. It's fine. I think I might have some spaghetti code going on here. It's fine. Well, not really spaghetti code, is it? It's, just multiple includes. Fuck! That's fine. We'll be fine. It's fine. Because I know I've got all these included in main, and then if I include map in main, like glm.hpp is definitely included in main. Do I need this shit? No, probably not. But I'll keep it anyway. Just in case. Alright, let's go to main.cpp and source even. Never mind. What the fuck's this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? I didn't rename this fucking thing. Okay, that's fine. Rename. Thread pool. There we go. Yes. Lovely. Glorious. Wait, do I have GLM? Ah, we've got matrix transform.hpp in here. So that's going to need to be deleted. But that's in CPP. Ah, fuck it. I couldn't give a shit. Oh. No, it's not. Ah. It is shit. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll be fine. Everything's fine. That's not gonna... Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll be fine. Yeah. What the fuck am I doing? So we've diddly done that, right? Lovely. Okay, nothing's wrong with that. Lovely. And now we get to set tile. Yes. Glorious. Right. Let's fix the errors. Lovely. 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 Are we ever going to understand what the fuck is going on here? So what you're taking in is an X and a Y, the floors, and the tile type. Right? And if X is less than or equal to 0, and X is less than or equal to with... fuck you! Right. Tile. Okay, we're then doobie doing the doobie doo. So it's okay, so it's putting that. Okay. Well, but shouldn't the Y, shouldn't the X, why is it going to the Z axis first? That seems a bit strange, doesn't it? Does it matter? Wait, I have to put my idea into a picture. I will send in the Discord. Give me 10 minutes. No worries. You do what you've got to really do. Yes. And thank you for your tips on stuff and things. Map data. Oh no! So the first dimension of map data is holding the floors. Then the second. But I thought, what the fuck? Why? Z should be the what? I'm confused. Fuck it. I have no idea. Right, onwards. Oh, they sent it way before 10 minutes. Ah. Shit. I don't want to open the Discord. It's not going to expose anything major, is it? Well, just to be on the safe side, bear with me for a second. Just in case people don't want their conversations exposed. You know what I mean? Privacy and whatnot. Right, where is it? That's a lot in the main channel. Coding? Ah. Oh, still haven't done it. Huh? I am confused that again. What do you mean they sent it away before 10 minutes? 'Tis confusion! Ah. What is this all about? Ah. Lovely. Interesting. Well, onwards! I suppose. Yes. Let's go back here, shall we? Yes, let's crack on. Streamception! Oh. Okay. So what the fuck am I doing? Update tile shape. What the fuck? But we haven't even implemented that yet, have we? 'Tis confusion. Okay, so now... Ooh, whoopsie. Now we want the get tile. Ah, I see. Okay. Okay, so if it's within the width and the height and the floor, we return whatever is at that location. Lovely. Amazing. Glorious. Yes. Splendid! And now we fix the errors. I really would love for it to be... Or maybe I should just type it into fucking Claude, right? Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. Okay, it's fine. Can you please explain why the dimensions of the map data? Jesus! Are floors then Y then X. I didn't even need copy and paste. I'll do and copy paste anyway, just in case. Ah. Are you joking? Oh, no way. Fuck off. Your message will exceed the length limit for this chat. Try shortening your message or starting a new conversation. You bitch. No. Or upgrading to Claude Pro. Can I delete messages? Can I? That's not fair. No, don't do this to me, Claude. Please. I need you. It's fine. Fuck. That sucks. Ah, Claude, why have you done this to me? You have sent it. Okay. I didn't stop the bloody stream. That's fine. There we go. Alright. Yeah, but that's not going to change how it'll work. The other one's a 3D building object that can be shown nicely on a 2D surface without actually being 3D itself. Yeah, but there's no way to show... Like, that's just going to be a static image, basically. And we can't apply proper parallax to that. So we can't... So say if you want to come down this way and see if there's windows this way to access, we won't be able to do that. Or if you want to go round that way... we could, I mean... Yeah, I mean, we could actually. What the fuck am I talking about? But that's isometric. I didn't want it to be at that angle. I want it to be top down. We could. We absolutely could. But how would we show... Now, we're going to have to do 3D. Yeah, we're going to have to do 3D. Because if they go round to the other side of the building, and that still looks like that, that's going to look a bit strange. Okay. Right, it's fine. Well, it does appear that Claude has fucked me. Hello, and did you recently gain brain cells? No! Claude was acting as my brain cells, but alas, it appears to have given up. It wants me to bloody subscribe to Pro. This is some bullshit. Absolute fucking dog shit is what it is. Okay. I'll tell you what I'm going to diddly do. I'm going to end this one here. Right? An hour isn't that long. But I'm going to need to see how in the fuck I can get more out of this motherfucker. Yes. And I don't think I want to do that on stream. So, yes. I will leave this one here. But thank you, you lovely person, Lego, for all of your tips and your stuff and things to help me with this. And I apologize for my absolute idiocy. But I hope you enjoyed it. Because I fucking did. Apart from Claude being a pain in the bum now. Please don't make me go to ChatGPT. God, you've made me see paradise. Please don't take it away from me. Claude. Oh, Claude. No. I'm sorry, Killian. Sorry, Killian. I apologize that I am now ending the stream. But don't you worry, we will be live again later. Yes, we're going to do yet another stream. 3 streams in one day. Yes, indubitably. And we will stream some SCP. Yes. And I hope to see you then. But for now, you lovely people, you stay safe. You stay awesome. Streamception and toodle poo. You lovely, lovely people.